Why am you Twaso? Why am you? Why am you Twaso? What you want, Christo? Why am you? Why am you? Why am you Twaso? What you want, Christo? E o mo se obi animu se konkonsati una wonimu desini ami jamai area ho obi animu sakaya se yenia abana kojo afia akawo ye bese wohima yisa yuko doctor for nyinanimu Koforiti awayebi Enkrahasu wayebi Kumati sama ko Eya yeni mwasi amawu Nasu yenye kupwa yeti nechirinu Ye wakwadari wani mwini se Yenye no Yerasi wampe Enuna wafansi ensi enwe Wasi ensi edidi achiridi Baby, one quadru biare. Baby, one quadru biare. Why you be a sambra? And what you want, Christo? Oh, we saw a piano. Say, consanti, ye can't. Una winning with destiny, ami. A Jamai area, or piano. Sakaya singing ya Akawu ye bese wima hey ni say you go doctor for ni na ni go for it ya wa ye bi enkraso wa ye bi kumati sawa ko eya ye ni boasi amawo na so ye nya go pa ye di na chire no tie ya wa kwatare e wo mu ne sai Yanya no, fano, Osiesieno. Osiesieno, Osiesieno, Tinidi. Osiesieno, Tinidi, what's it? Everyone go through Piare. Everyone go through Piara. Why have you chosen a bra? And what you want, Kiri? Why have you chosen? Me catching up a walk of say, why have you? And son one will be a why have you a year? And what you want, Christo? Why wouldn't you more? Simply be room. I will read him one cassa. That's why Hansani Cocotti something. One pass up and brand one say, the catcher will say, when you quite your brano, and you wait, and you watch your brano. I miss why have you to trust? And what you want. Mr. Wow, when you more, wow, simply be room, I will read you one cassa. That's for Hansani Cocotti 70. One better than bravo, one thing. When you quite your bravo, wait, and you watch your bravo. I'm a silly country, say, why have you to trust? And what you want, Christo? Why have you trust? Why have you? Why have you trust? And what you want? Why have you? Why have you trust? No. Why would you? And what you want? Apostle go back to say, why have you? Why have you trust? One son of yo, I'm a German. What you want? Why am I? Let me see. Why come here? ya boshi ni bia wa ya bia eyen akwaji wo Christo. Thank you Jesus.